the culmination of years of design and engineering,
Everything looks perfect.
ready to take to the skies. Precision is absolute in modern aerospace. Giant jigs align massive sections, creating the next generation. Surface scan on the fuselage is complete. Tolerance on the landing gear is within limits.
Initiating loop self-test now.
Chase 1 to test pilot, telemetry looks green. Copies that, Chase 1 spooling up to taxi speed. Copy that, looking good. Roger that.
The drag coefficient on the wing looks optimal.
Let's modify the internal spar.
All stations, Section 4 alignment is now optimal.
Bring it down 2 millimeters. Lock it in place.
Hold position right there.
Aligning secondary pins.
Let's feed this through to the main junction.
Hold it right there while I secure it.